Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be a long video, so you have to stay tuned to see the entire video and to know that what's going on in this garden. So from today onwards I have decided that every week I will be posting one long video, and the rest of the week I will be posting short videos here and then. First of all, let me give you a close up of what is going on, because you have seen my garden in the winter, I guess, in these kinds of long videos. But yeah, so if you know where I stay, the current weather is like um, nearly above 40 degrees centigrade and daily, plus with the highest amount of humidity possible. So it's in this weather, monsoon season is right now, it is not possible for me to do or plant or anything related to garden that much in this season. But now the temperatures are getting at least a little bit cooler, but it's still above 36 degrees, so it's very hot, plus the humidity makes it worse. So but still I have done these things. I have planted these pumpkins in front of you, and yesterday I have posted the videos for the zinnias. Everything is looking good right now. Okay, and everything is a mess also, because right now I was just cleaning. If you see me, I am already means exhausted because of the heat and the sun also. It is evening, but still it is uh, that much hot right now. But the plants that are supposed to stay nice are nice. Look at these Gompphrenas, look at these lemon lime trees, okay, and crepe myrtle. Okay, if I go through, I'm going very fast because I don't want to make this video very long. But yeah, I hope you will watch till the end. Look at the sunflowers, they're loving their life. There's the crepe myrtles, and everything is looking lush and green. The pros of this weather is that the plants love this because of the highest amount of humidity possible. A greenhouse effect is there. But the cons is that I cannot work that much in the garden because of, the heat and everything that happens. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to transform some areas. For example, you can see there's very much bare pots which I just cleaned, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill them up, okay, with the plants which I'm having already. And this area we will tackle in another video, but my today's target is only to focus on these two, four, this pot, and also that one. This is a, I don't know the name properly, uh, Bhutan jasmine, they have called in the nursery. I don't know the exact name, but we will see. I will search the name online and I will post them that. And by the way, a shocking thing is that danthus is blooming in my garden right now everywhere. Okay. Uh, so yeah, don't let's not get diverted from the topic. And uh, yeah, also wanted to show you this crepe, uh, sorry, cypress vine. I have let this do this thing because I love the structure of the leaves of them, and I don't think they hurt these jasmine plants. They are also blooming. If you see, jasmine is also blooming, but they have done their blooming season. So I am letting these plants to take over, and I really like the leaf structure of this. Okay, so yeah, let's. Okay, so this is where our business starts. These are the Gaillardia seedlings. Okay, this is the normal one, and this is one imported variety. I don't remember the name right now. If I get, I will pop the picture on the screen, and some are looking good and some are not. So we will see that. But my today's target is to get these in some containers, and also these are the I think some kind of zinnia. I will put those also. They are in a very bad state because something is eating on them, and I think that's rats. Okay, so these are looking like this, but they should survive because they are already having nodes. So, and these are the Gomphrena strawberry fields. That is a red Gomphrena. I'm showing you the flower in a minute, and my target is to plant these as well. because they are also getting leggy, right? So yeah, and also I bought some ready-made plants from the nursery, which is balsams. Yeah, and these are the Gomphrena strawberry fields. I don't know if it is focusing on the flowers, but they look really pretty. Okay, so if I plant this entire section along with these two pots over here, these two pots, this entire section will be planted with at least some plants. This area we need to work a little bit more harder because of, you can see, of the weeds and all those stuff. We will tackle that later, but at least I want to get this line get completed. So what I'm gonna do is I will stick the camera over here. You will be able to see what I'm doing, and everything I will go through after planting or after planning. Okay, let me first keep some plants. Okay, they are in the water because of the rain, by the way. It's rained a little bit today in the morning. So let's keep one over here, keep one over here. One over here, one over here, right? And I will leave these pot because this is having sweet allisams. uh, I have to replace it obviously, but I still don't know what to plant in this, so I will leave it for that right now. And in here I have to add some soil as well. um, okay, let's take some seedlings from over here. I will just loosen the soil. I will share the recipe for these seedlings in my upcoming videos. This is a very good seedling mix which I made, right? Uh, you can see how easily I can just pop it up from the soils with the root systems as well. I will take 3 plants, okay, of this kind. 3 Gomphrena. I would like to take 4 of the zinnia seedlings as well because of another container. So just digging my finger and let's see how many plants we will get. Uh, so we got 1, 2, 3. Look at the root systems. And another one I want. Right. So just a little bit of I full. It will take over. So yeah, 4 zinnia seedlings done. So I will be keeping the 4 zinnia seedlings in this pot. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4, like this. Okay, so I need 8 Gaillardia plants. So what I'm going to do is, these are, have germinated thickly. So what I'm going to do, I just want to dig some of the soil and let's see how many plants we get at first. Obviously we will be picking healthy plants only, the stronger looking seedlings. Got 1, 2, and this is not a good one. This one is a good one. Look at the root system. 3, 4. I need 8 approximately. 5. Okay. This one. 6. This one is a good one. 7. Another one. 8. So I got 8 plants. Okay, and these I will just place them. If they become stronger enough, I will plant them, or I will be obviously not be able to plant this much plants, but I need plants. So let's see what we will do later on. I will water these later on. Okay, so as you can see, I have 2 pots over here. So I will be planting 4 over in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 in this one. Okay. all done, and I am actually tired because it's so hot right now. So whatever, I'm very happy with whatever we have been done with. So let's go through everything. So we started with balsams in these 4 containers, which turned out, I think this singularity over there will look nice. Then we have planted this Bhutan Jui. Okay, look at the flower. Doesn't it looks the most one of the most prettiest flower? Okay. Then to continue this Gomphrena trend, I love this white Gomphrena. So I thought, how about we get a red kind of thing like that over here as well, just like that over there, isn't it? Will it I think it will look amazing along with this porcelain, okay, which is a wildflower over here. So I love the flower, so I have kept this plant. Here we have the zinnias. I lost one actually, that way I have planted only 3. Okay. And here we have the 4 Gaillardias. Okay, so this particular line, I will be connecting everything on drip, and I will not consider water very much now because it is rainy season. Even today I think will be getting rain pretty soon, if you see the clouds over there. So yeah, and it will look nice within a few months, I guess, within 1 month, I guess. So yeah, so this is the kind of content that I will be making from now on every week, uh, not typically in winter but also in summer, autumn and winter, obviously, because we have to start preparing for winter season right now. Even before going, I want to show you some of the winter means our over here, our winter crops which have self-seeded themselves. So if you see the hollyhocks, zebrina hollyhocks, okay, and the chrysanthemums, they are loaded with birds. Okay, these are all winter crops over here. And not only that, I don't know how many winter plants I have pulled out thinking of weeds, because they will not grow eventually, but these I will keep because I have learned that hollyhock are hardy, and they can bloom up. Even this is the plant from the last year and it is blooming right now. Okay, so nasturtiums, they all come back by self-seeding themselves. So, and even verbena, I have one verbena over here. If you see that pink color over there, that is a verbena. So, and many verbenas are there also. So yeah, it's a pretty interesting thing to observe such things in my garden, and I will be cleaning all those stuffs, so ignore all those stuffs. And from now on I will be posting these kinds of videos only, um, every week, and the short videos will be, well, I will be posting here and there whenever I get a content, because at this time of year it is also typical that I don't get content, because you can't just, like any winter season, you can't just come here and pop a plant and like that. No, it's it's very hard to do gardening in this kind of weather over here. So okay, we will think about it, and yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.